I saw on the internet this little marble spinner, and so I decided to make one, and I put a little pedestal on it because it was everything is thin plastic, so it was too flimsy. So I just added a little base to it, and I added this little tiny switch in here, and this is how it works. So it's basically tilting counterclockwise, and you can make it go clockwise if you just reverse the polarity on the little tiny motor that is included in there. And so it's pretty simple, but a lot of satisfaction because it's just added to my collection of my marble machines. I got so many of them. Anyway, I probably should make some other things too once in a while. I am actually working on something over there. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can show it. Oops, zoom out is this way, Tony. I'm working on this with a friend of mine actually who does the coding for it. It's going to be a clock that animates, and my friend's name is Harry, who's if you find him up, Harry's Fun on YouTube. He has this clock, and I always wanted it, and so I appreciate that he's helping with it. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.